A shoal of Spanish sardines feeding on microscopic plankton. An irresistible opportunity for a sailfish. Time for the sardines to swim for their lives. Sailfish have speed and endurance, but the sardines are more nimble. When some make a break for the safety of the depths, the sailfish drive them back to the surface, while flankers raise their sails, cutting off any escape route. Eventually, the relentless attack splinters the shoal. The moment the sailfish have been waiting for. The sailfish may have claimed their prize, but the Caribbean Sea holds fortunes these fish never reach.